Hello everyone, this is just basically everything wrong with my Mustang and it's going to be fixed. So, if you look, the pillar post and rock basically is just destroyed, but I already have all the parts. We also have the fender that's gone, taken off. Driver's side headlight and fog light all gone. And I have all the parts. It's basically this weekend, hopefully, we're able to pull the pillar post out and put the new door fender on as well. And then get this spot on the front bumper and hood basically fixed up. We should be good to go because then we'll be able to put the fog light headlight in. But other than that, the car is perfectly fine, I guess you could say. It's already got an aftermarket exhaust, which is just MBRP. Now, it's from the guy who had it before me. Here, it's got the Ford Performance Pack 1, cold air intake and throttle body, as long as the JLT oil catch can as well already on. And I'll probably be replacing this with an aftermarket and not just a Ford. And I'll probably try one day to replace my exhaust with a Corsa, but we can start up quickly and show. Ooh, oh, the windshield's also missing, but that's because it was cracked. But miles to empty. It's got all the track apps and stuff, so I have line lock and everything. Bam. And also, if the headlights are on, we have Ford My Color for everything, so whenever it's nighttime, floorboards and such will light up whatever I want. But she don't sound too bad. Hopefully this weekend I can make videos about putting in the new pillar post, door and fender and all such. And then she should be on the road shortly after that.